Welcome to our channel. Using Venmo for in-store purchases expands your payment options beyond person-to-person transfers. Step 1. Download the Venmo app from your device's app store if you haven't already installed it. Step 2. Open the Venmo app and create an account by entering your email address, phone number, and creating a password. Step 3. Link your bank account or debit card to your Venmo account by following the prompts to add a payment method. Step 4. Verify your identity by confirming your phone number through the code sent via text message. Step 5. To use Venmo in stores, you'll need to obtain a physical Venmo debit card. Request one through the app by selecting the Venmo card option in the menu. Step 6. Wait for your Venmo debit card to arrive in the mail, which typically takes 7 to 10 business days. Step 7. Once received, activate your Venmo card through the app by scanning the card or entering the card number. Step 8. For stores that accept contactless payment, enable the Venmo QR code feature in the app for quick in-store scanning. Step 9. At checkout, either present your physical Venmo debit card for swiping or show your Venmo QR code to participating merchants. Your Venmo balance will be used for the purchase, or it will draw from your linked bank account if your balance is insufficient. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.